Alright, assalamualaikum everyone. So back in August and September, I used to give you a free coin on my YouTube telling you if you message me on Twitter, I'm going to tell you the name. And some people message me, they say, can you give me the name of the coin? Thank you. Is it on Binance? Yes, I believe SHIB is down. Buy some, not too much. Midterm hold, nearly 2 3 months. Keep in touch. Let's say if you're using $100, buy 50% at 900 and 4500. And a lot of people bought, and the rest is history. Okay. On the Discord as well, in here, I gave a Luna Classic call as well, and this one played out like a boss. Now, the thing is, I am feeling generous and I'm willing to give you one coin that is almost identical as if you're buying SHIB down. Let's say if I show you SHIB at the moment before we talk about the SHIB update in a while, you can see what SHIB has done here is pretty incredible. But if I told you that coin, right, it's almost as if you're buying SHIB right over here, and I believe it's actually going to do something very similar to what SHIB did. In order for you to know, just come and you're going to scroll down in the description. You'll see a section called Be My Friend. Click on Discord. When you're in Discord, click on announcement, click my name, and message me how or what is the name of the coin, and I will give you the name of the coin for totally free. If you have $1,000, go with $100 or $200. If you hold it long term, your $100 may become even probably $7,000, hopefully, if the bull run gets on this one. Anyways, it's still a win-win situation in my opinion. Now let's get back into the SHIB, and I think you're about to do something very similar to what you did with this candle previously back in 2021, and then from there you probably just continued all the way to the upside right there. So SHIB at the moment has broken out of all the shackles, and it's funny how I noticed when you were down here and this accumulation is happening, notice how this is a diamond bottom. Okay, this is a diamond bottom. I mean, nothing ever happened randomly in crypto. If you really connect the dots, it's pretty much a very big, nice, good picture that is painted. Now, it's hard to say. People may think, oh, is SHIB going to come down? I've missed the ride and this and that. Number one, if you've missed, I'm already going to tell you the coin if you message me. And you have to do this as soon as you watch the video, because things are flying and you never know if it's going to fly. I've invested 600 into it, right? My own management, okay? You may want to invest something which you can actually afford to lose. I'll just tell you the coin, but I do believe it's actually going to do this. Very, very similar thing here as well. Hopefully, really, really hopefully. Okay, 3 coins I've already won, and this one here with SHIB. Okay, let's talk about SHIB. I think I told you previously that SHIB has to break above this little bit of resistance. It has already broken up, and I think that you probably are good to go from the top here to the bottom right there, and you could be looking at SHIB actually coming up to 4,000 and again breaking this another resistance. And when you break above that resistance, I think if you reach to nearly 4,300, all right, listen again, listen carefully, 4,300, I think it's actually time to go back to the all-time high and actually beyond even all-time high. This is easy, okay? SHIB was always easy for me, easy pick. This is the prince of the bull run, and that's all for the video. Message me and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.